Welcome, today I'm showing how to check battery health information into a Nothing Phone 1. First of all, open your Play Store and need find Ampere application. I'll show you. Ampere. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Tap yes I agree, close, and OK. So now need swipe on the right, and here on the second column on the top we got our health information. So our health battery is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.